show you what is fuck! Hey there guys, welcome to today's Captain's Blog. It's 1850 hours on May 29th, 2019, and I got screws and stuff and drill bits, and I'm working on a thing. So, yeah, hang out. You'll like it. Trying to mount... Fucking camera mount would be really goddamn handy about right now. I'm trying to mount a gas spring. I don't know if I'm going to be successful or not, but well, win or lose, it'll be fun to watch. So let's see if I can not fuck this up. Probably that. We'll need lots of that.
I'm gonna run up some Michaels.
Yeah?
Can I get a weeding tool?
Isn't that called a knife?
No, they make this little spatula thing.
Okay.
That I bought in the past, and I don't even know if we needed it. But my whole day tomorrow is weeding.
Shit!
What?
Bolt's got to go in from this side.
Oh.
It might be too long. No! It'll be okay. Just.
Anyway, I'm going up to
Alright. I love you, Moose. Don't use T-nuts on this one.
decided to do it today so I don't have to mess around with it.
Cool. Don't need that drill bit. Oh, and it just fits. That is gonna fucking suck. But I can do it. I got skills. Okay. And this one goes right there. And that'll crush. I need washer. I'm gonna need. Oh, the top one's gonna be easy. Oh, fucking idea. Do you come out? No, you're in there for reals. Okay. Yeah. This just might fucking work. I gotta get a wrench in there. Alright, let's go find a wrench. Okay, so the top one's easy. Tighten that so the bolt just, yeah, right there. Okay, so that's solid. The bottom one is a lot more complicated. Can I just do it like this? Not easily. There's really no easy way to get to that. It's a carriage bolt, so the top's just a dome. I can't tighten it from the top. Yeah, that angle will just get tighter pretty much either way I go. Top's rigid, so I gotta take the bottom off. means doing the thing. How about the spring clip? Let's not do that with the blade of the good knife. Let's do that with like a little screwdriver thing. Yeah. And let's not stab ourselves in the fucking hand trying to do it, as you're often wont to do with this particular maneuver. I really hope I can put that back. But it opens the thing up nice and easy, and that lets me in here to do this. That lets me tighten this really easy. So when I do the other one, I should have it roughly in position before tightening it down. Okay, now can I put that fucking thing back together, because damn if that don't look complicated in a hurry. Never messed with these before, at least not uninstalling and reinstalling. I've uninstalled them and reinstalled new ones, but I've never done this just whole thing like this. You may be watching this thinking, he don't know what the fuck he's doing. You'd be right. But it came out of there. Some little dude in China got it in there in the first place. Of course, he may have done that using a German-made robot, which is possible. But is it possible that one damn fool and a multi-tool can get it back in there? Probably fucking not. Alright. Well, that's going to be a head scratcher here. Because that's got to go back together again. I think I just need tools I don't have. At least handy. I'll be back. I'm getting tools. Can I fuck this one up less than the other one? Who knows? Let's find out. I'll start by drilling the top hole. Which looks pretty close to the other side. Yeah, I'm gonna say it'll do. Okay. So once we got the top hole in, then I can set the bolt. I'm going to just take a step back and look and say, yeah, that's reasonable. They're probably not dead nuts perfect, but it'll do. Once I got the top hole, I can set the bottom hole. And I measured my offset. That's what this line is. It's 3.5 inches from the edge, so that the offset on this side, same as the offset on the other side. Put that in. Put that up. Now I can mark my hole. What do I got? Now, the mounts on these have really forgiving clevis things with there's like a ball joint. I'm going really slow through that with a really high speed, low feed, because I don't want to chip out the plywood unnecessarily. So now that I got these two in, I can bolt this end down, Well, I can, yeah. Yeah. See, the problem is I want to spin that bottom piece because this isn't, like, I got to loosen it a half a turn, but really it can't turn in use, so it should be okay. Alright, so let's just put that on there. I got my carriage bolts aligned the way I like them. And we grab a couple washers and just start here. Put this nut on. No, fucking socket steps over there. Just fingertip tight. That one on. Okay, let that chill there. Now I go all the way around the damn boat, get the socket wrench. You don't need the open-end wrench, or combination wrench, because I figured out a better way. Hi, Moose! I was just calling because you mentioned you were going to Michael's. And I believe that's really close to Joanne's. Foam. Where's it coming from? Oh, are you anywhere near that? Okay. Oh, there's a shot. Because I'm totally ready for fun. So I figured I'd ask. Okay. Oh, I was worth a shot. Ha! I got the gas springs mount on jet boat. I'm a manly man. Alright. I love you. You have fun. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello? Yay! Where do you want to eat? We can do that if you want. I got the gas struts mount on jet boat. And they actually don't look bad. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Alright, I'm coming for dinner. Love you. Bye.
Found it.
That'll do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this. We want to have this part, we want to have the thing to the back. Because I want to overlap the thing like that. And I have to know where in X, Y, like Z I can work out. But I got to know where in X, Y to put this. And I want it to end up right there, like that. Okay? So like a 1/4 inch off the thing. And once I've got one in X, Y, then the other one I just have to work out in X, because Y will match across. And I'll test it, everything of course. But I have to mark this from the fucking bottom. It's gonna suck. But this will be the first time we've gotten to close this, so we'll see if it like works or blows a fucking hole in the side of the thing or rips the bolts off or fucks up the hinge. So yeah, I'm gonna pull it down and we'll see if it works. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Oh my. Oh, that's so hard.
Way too strong. Those are fucking way too strong. Those are like 40 pounds each. It'll work. Fucking Christ. You can't buy them with a weight rating and a size and a mount. Fuck. Because you can buy them that have, like, you can go on Amazon, you can find them, like, weight rated, right? And they're, like, 20 pounds or whatever. And that's all I need is, like, a pair of 20 pounds would be fine. Because I just need them to here on the thing, but if I close that, it's gonna rip the fucking hinge off. And you can buy them in length on Amazon, but you can't get them with the end, and I need that. Fuck! There's a way to do this, and I can't believe I have to buy a fucking third set of these. Because I was like, they're the right length! And these are designed to hold up like a fucking car hatchback. I need them to be strong, but not that strong. Alright. So I'm going to take them off.
Oh my god.
Fuck! I'm going to take them off. And I'm going to locate the latches, because I can do this without those. Those just make the world way better, because it sucks. But with these, you can at least lift it. But I want a gas strut on this really bad. It's got to be that size. That is the size. That is the right, perfect gas strut. They're just too powerful. So I need a gas strut that size. And for anybody who's wondering, why put the model number on it? Why would you need to know that? Where would that ever come in handy? I need a gas strut that size with the ball end on one end, like the little ball socket thing, and a dingus. But Give me the other gas struts over there, please. Let me just see. Okay. Let me just see a thing. I got a theory. Flashlight's down here, not doing a damn thing, and that's where I need to see, is right there. Thank you. Let's take that again out. You went in, you went out, you gotta... Fine, we'll do the whole fucking thing again. It was so much fun the first time. Can I do it with this tool? I think I can. There you go. Just, yeah. Okay. You just don't come all the way out, because we don't want to do that again today. That was half an hour of my life that I'm never getting back. Okay. So, how do I do that? Oh, yeah, this. I got a theory.
You got a theory. What's your theory? Uh-oh. You may have outsmarted the gas struts.
Yes! It's a standard. Who the fuck knows what, but it's a standard. And if it's
It's not going to be all the way open.
It's not...
Which is probably okay.
No, I can't... I don't think I could use these springs at all. I think these springs are too short. But... And the ball mount is totally different.
Oh, that's true.
Like, they're way short. But I might be able to use it temporarily. This is a stupid ass idea. Oh, fuck, you're on there. Hold on to that real tight. like a boss. You got it?
My left hand.
Have I mentioned?
Nope.
Yeah, but you're left-handed.
No, I'm not.
Have I mentioned I need a fucking bench vise? Turn it like a boss.
I'm trying.
All right, here. Give me ends. Hold tight.
Tight.
Tight like labia. You got to hold tighter than that. We're going to chew the shit out of the end of that. You got it. Oh, you done fucked it.
No, I didn't.
Ah, yeah, that's not coming off. All right, so I need a ball end, but that end appears to be like this is a standard thing. Now, where the fuck did I put it? That. This ball don't come out. That ball's in there. Okay, so I can just take this out for now, because I got mounts, I've got my point, all I gotta do is figure out what this length is. If only I had a device that would tell me an overall length of the thing. Okay, it's, give or take, 22 inches long. Okay?
Okay.
So 22 inches long, and I need it to have 20 pounds of push. That's it. That's plenty. 20 pounds would be divine. I'm going to take the other one off. Because then I can close the fucking door. Yeah, that really doesn't pop off without doing the little dance.
You want a flashlight?
A warm smile and a few kind words. A back rub, blowjob, and a kitten.
You just got a back rub.
That's good. Alright. Come on, you fuck. Oh, yeah? Are we?
Begrudgingly.
So the trick with these is not to pop the little metal clip all the way off. That path leads to madness. Madness and pain. Okay. So now we can close the lid.
In case you're wondering, the insulation is what's holding that up.
Okay. So I'm going to take the flashlight and put it right there. So I can see. I got a Sharpie. I got the thing. I'm going to hold the thing because I want it to end up outside with the long end forward like that. So I'm going to hold this. I'm going to hold this right here is what I'm going to do. And we're going to close the lid with me inside, and I'm going to mark the two... Fuck. Fuck.
What is fuck?
What? I show you what is fuck. You don't know what is fuck. I show you what is fuck. So... I can shoot straight through here. I show you what is fuck. I know what is fuck. I have an idea.
Uh-oh.
I think. I have a lot of an idea. I don't know that I have all of it, but I have substantial portions of an idea.
Quick, chase it.
I show you what is fuck! Okay. Don't judge me. It's the only pair of safety glasses I fucking had. So this is the perfect pair of safety glasses because this is the pair I have.
Oh, okay. Is that right?
Yes. The best camera is the one you have. So I gotta take my shirt off.
Ooh, take it off.
I take off my shirt, I show you what is fuck. Alright, so...
I got it.
This.
Yep.
Alright, we're good there. This This is gonna work great. This is gonna be fine. This is gonna be many things. Comfortable is not one of them.
Yeah, you got a nice screw.
Oh, I got all the things.
And your Gerber and. How's it going?
It's great.
It's great.
Living the dream.
You love your job?
Love my job. Where's the thing?
What thing?
The Sharpie and the door latch.
I don't know. Oh, this is fucking heavy with one hand.
This.
You got it?
Yeah, where's the door latch? I got the Sharpie.
I got the door latch.
Give me a door latch. Okay.
Trade you.
I show you what is fuck! Okay.
You ready?
Yep. What am I resting my head on? Is it expensive? This
The battery charger.
Oh, that's fine. Okay. Alright, come on.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Avenge me! Hang on. Hang on, I show you what is fuck! Oh, fuck you. Oh, hey. Alright.
Oh, it got brighter.
Yep. Ow!
Oh!
That hurt.
What was that?
Everything's fine. Everything's totally fine.
You're pretty fine. What do you guys think? Should I stack something on this?
Okay.
I can hear noises.
It's alright?
You ready? He's alive!
It's alright. You don't get that joke, do you?
No.
It's alright? It's alright. Yeah, it's before your time. Alright, look at this.
Did you get it?
Now we just gotta make sure that this line is square to that. But I think I got it.
Okay.
Alright.
You ready to come out? Oh my god!
Hi. How you doing? So now it's time to rotate. Oh fuck! Oh Jesus! Ah!
It's like you're being born.
No, there was way more poop with that.
I don't know. Have you eaten eggs today?
No, I was talking about being born.
I know.
Okay.
Sometimes there's a lot of
By
poop
the way,
with
this
you
is the fuel gauge sending unit here.
that you keep laying on
Yeah, it'll be an important thing to know in the future.
when it's broken.
Yeah, when the gas gauge don't work, that's probably why. So this isn't a problem. I don't need that.
But they sure
I
look
got
cool.
this. Fuck you. You're a bad person.
No.
Nobody likes you.
No.
I did that on the outside, right?
What?
I did that on the outside
Yes.
of that, right? Your shirt? Line it up. Take a look. It's on the outside, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I need a clip.
Ready? This is gonna feel great.
Ready.
I don't need that in there. That can come right out. Okay.
I got it. Yep.
You got it? Living the dream. Living the boat lifestyle. Yeah, buy a boat, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
You got a flashlight?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's way back there. Yeah?
Oh, it's super comfy. It's cozy.
You gonna sleep there tonight?
I might be stuck here for days. Alright, I'm on the right side. I'm in the right spot. Ish. I gotta get... My mind won't work if my spine won't jerk. I'm over the hole. Do it. Oh, you fucking moved.
No, I didn't.
Not you. The other The other fuck. I show you the fuck!
Should I let go of this?
No. Maybe.
I let go.
Okay.
But it's not down all the way.
Yeah, I'm holding it up my knee.
Nope, we can't see anything.
Don't motherfucking me.
What was that?
No, lay it down, Jesus Christ!
Oh my god.
It's okay, I got it.
When you yell like that,
It's okay. God damn it. Motherfucker.
What did you do?
Everything's fine.
I don't believe you.
Everything's totally cool.
I really don't believe you.
God damn it. Motherfucking big fucking whore hopping douchebag sack of shit.
Oh.
Alright, lift it.
Doing okay.
Everything's fine. Doing great. We're at the... Oh, fuck, that sucked.
Did you drop Sharpie on your face?
No, the flashlight on my eye.
Oh. That one arm.
There's 300 bolts right here. I got shit under me that if I touch it, I break it. I got fucking fittings everywhere, and the whole inside is filled in fiberglass. So just, I need a moment. I just need a moment.
I'm crying. I'm laughing so hard.
Okay. Ow. Okay.
Do you need help?
I'm fine.
Are you really?
I'm fucking fine. I just need... You can't put a hand anywhere. Like, there's all kinds of really delicate, expensive, if you have to buy a new one, shit in this compartment. And it's not designed for, like, you know, birthing. So...
You made it.
I made it. Fucking mazel tov. Alright, so...
Thank you.
We'll put our insulation. That's really a handy piece of insulation right there. So, okay. Here's where we're at. We got that, and we got that. Okay. Take a look. From the edge, we are to the front corner. We're 6 and an 1/8, 6 and a fat 8, 6 and 3/16, give or take. I'm gonna say 6 and a fat 8. No, shit. Yeah, 6 and a fat 3/16 by 3 3/4. Okay.
Okay.
On this side, we are 3 3/4. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Please line up. Please just fucking match. Because if you match. Oh my god, we got it! Fuck,
Yay!
they matched. They fucking, oh. Okay, so now I can...
Oh my
Where
god.
the fuck did I put it?
What?
The fucking latch.
Oh, you had it in
This,
there.
right here. I need this. And...
There was a Sharpie casualty.
Where?
I don't know, but I heard it fall.
That's not what I want to hear.
Right there.
Right. Oh. I got that. Okay, so if I put this right here, that way, that way, okay, and I got a hole and I got lines, so I know this wants to go here. Okay.
Okay.
So I got my holes. Line up all 3 holes. Duh. Cool. Now I know where to drill. Okay?
Yay!
So now I do this on this side. Same thing. And the second verse, the same as the first. Okay, take a tape measure and double check my measurements and make sure those are the same. Okay, as long as they're symmetrical, we're good.
Where's the tape?
Here, go nuts. You just do that because I want a real engineer to check it.
Oh.
Because you're a real engineer.
I need to be in the boat to do this. Hi.
We'll be back. Alright, so Maz checked my specs and we're within 1/8 of an inch, so we're good because tolerances on this fucking thing, 1/8 of an inch is fine. And now I can drill the location holes. Give me a much tinier drill bit. I gotta make sure these are right. Because bad things happen if I'm off.
Here, hold this.
Hey, I'm holding the camera. I'm cool. Where's my whole thing. Hey.
What are you using now?
Just give me a tiny one. What am I using now? The one that's missing. What am I gonna hold that with?
Hand.
Here, I'll trade you.
Okay.
There you go. Okay.
It's much better lighting right here.
Is it? Are you happy?
Yep.
As long as you're comfortable, we're gonna be fine. Using drill bits for metal, by the way.
It happens.
My wood drill bits I couldn't find because they're on the back of the boat. Also, putting the light here.
Not helpful.
Look where I'm drilling. That's Milwaukee. I'm not impressed. I love this drill, but the light could have been better. Milwaukee would comment and be like, "You're using the wrong fucking bit, dude. What'd you expect? It's the bit. It's not the model. Operator error." I really hope these come out alright. I think I gotta go up another size too. Because I think this is the bolt size. And I'm gonna need the receiver size. Because it's gonna be T-nuts. T-nuts on these nuts. Alright. So. At this point, we close the thing. And we see if these will line up. So take that. Please put this back where it belongs. Set this here. We lift and drop. There are a bunch of 1.5 inch long. Look at this. Fucked. super fucked.
What?
It's not gonna work.
Why?
I gotta drill that one. So, give me some of the 1.5 long quarter 20 bullets.
Flatheads.
Yeah, countersunk. Next.
You need all of them?
Huh?
Do you need all of them?
I need 4 of them.
Oh, really?
Fits in the end. Alright, so we're good there. Okay. So, I need 4 of the T-nuts. And the next size up drill bit. Remember how I had
I can't get this out.
in the basement?
Help, please.
Huh?
I can't get this out.
Which one?
The one you want.
Oh, that's big. Give me one of the T-nuts. That's way too big. Give me a... Wait a minute. That's almost the size? Let me see those drill bits over there.
Be careful, there's screws in there.
Just for flavor. That's 1/4 inch. That's 5/16. What are you? I'm using 5/16. Means you belong here. And you go here. Okay. Yeah! I'm using 5/16.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, they fit. Okay. These are going to screw top down, so these are going to go bottom up. So I need to do a relief of that hole to fit through there.
Here.
Thank you. So what I can do to make sure that they fit is put this in place like that.
Okay.
Put a bolt through here. Tighten the T-nut on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to want a slightly bigger hole. Like, very slightly bigger. That's just a hair tiny. So, we go over here. 3/8 is so big, though. But if I do it with 3/8... 3/8 is really, it gives me a fair bit of breathing room, and it's not going to hurt anything, and then my tolerances just got way easier to work with. I need you two. Alright. So if I put a 3/8 in it...
Try it on one and let's see.
Well, if I just drill all 4 holes 3/8, my tolerances get just massive, like carrot down a hallway. But I gotta realize I'm working with wood, which is not my usual medium. But, oh yeah, that's huge. And now, this it'll fit, and the T-nut makes it safe. But I got huge amounts of wiggle room, and it doesn't have to be super precise. Okay, so by doing that, my T-nuts will just flop the fuck around anywhere I want them. Didn't I have 14? I do have 14 nuts. Okay. Okay, so we put this here in the right orientation. We put the bolt through the hole like that.
Okay.
Now we're going to need a C-clamp big enough to grab on the inside.
Okay.
So a sizable C-clamp. But I can line these up like this, and they'll just go where they're supposed to go. And if I have a C-clamp, I can, because I can just lightly screw these down. I'll need a big number 3 Phillips, but I've got one down in my toolbox.
Do you?
Uh-huh. Top drawer, bottom section, the giant Phillips head screwdriver.
Okay.
And,
I don't know where your C-clamps are.
yeah, I don't know where C-clamps are either. But give me the thing with all the bits in it, please. There's an outside chance could happen. Oh! Down here in the row of bits never used, there is
Number 3?
number 3 Phillips. Right there. Big ass number 3 Phillips. So, did I bring... Is the impact driver singer? No, it isn't.
It's right there.
This isn't the impact driver, but this'll do.
It's wood.
Why do you want an impact driver for this?
It's fine.
Why are you flashing? I got 4 bars. Why are you flashing?
I don't like you.
What the fuck is this? Oh, my impact driver. Okay. Alright, let's move this box. This box can go way over there. So this box can go way over there. Now, at this point, if everything worked great, the T-nuts are set. See, without a clamp. But I want an impact driver because I want to put those right down. But now I know where all the bolts go, and those are set. Those are good.
We gotta drill a hole for this thing.
I gotta drill a hole for that thing. And that's asking more than a little M12's got, but she did it. Okay, so we're good here. Set those right there. Now the biggest bit I have is a 1/2 inch.
That might be right.
No, I'm gonna want more than that.
I think that might be too big.
It's because what I want to do is I need to pass this.
Oh, you want to set it in.
I need it to sit like that. So I need this to go in the hole. And I need to accurately locate the hole. But I can do that. Where's the Sharpie?
Oh, I thought you put it in your pocket.
No.
I don't see it.
So with this properly located, it's easy to mark off where the hole is and drill the hole. And yeah, once I got to set this collar in there, and I don't have a drill bit that big, so we're into hole saw territory.
Yeah.
But I'll use my smallest hole saw, because if it's a little bit big, that's fine. And then we relief for that.
Yeah.
And then it'll sit
just up on that one.
Just up on the one. Okay.
Yep.
And then we make a 3/4 inch block to sit here.
So
and it'll sit just a little bit
flush.
above that, and we're good.
Yeah.
So it's hole saw time, and I gotta find a hole saw that big around. So that's the day. We've got a system worked out.
Running out of daylight.
Yep. T-nuts. So there's T-nuts on there. We're good there.
And now we have a process.
And now I have a plan. And I still gotta figure out what the fuck to do about gas springs, but we're getting there. We're on the path. And that's today's Captain's Blog. You guys have fun, and I'll see you tomorrow for hopefully more fun with Jet Boat. Yay.